Over the next three examples, we're going to look at combining what we derived about the sine, the cosine and the tangent for any angle, i.e. the cast diagram, with the exact values that we examined in the last couple of examples. For example, we want to state the exact value of the sine of 135 degrees. We start by sketching a cast diagram. We mark the quadrants. We locate 135 degrees. It's between 90 and 180, and we mark it onto our diagram. The associated acute angle, remember this always goes to the x-axis, is 45 degrees. Since we're in the S quadrant, the sign will be positive. Therefore, the sine of 135 degrees is going to be equal to the sine of 45 degrees, which we should know is 1 over root 2. If we now consider the cosine of 150 degrees, draw a cast diagram. A 150 is between 90 and 180. This angle here is 150. The associated acute angle to the x-axis is 30 degrees. And since we're in the S quadrant, the cosine must be negative. Therefore, the cosine of 150 is going to be minus cos 30. Cos 30 will be positive, and we know that in the S quadrant our cosine is negative. We know the cosine of 30 is root 3 over 2, so our answer is minus root 3 over 2. We now want to look at the tan of 120. Again, draw a cast diagram. 120 degrees is here, between 90 and 180. And the associated acute angle to the x-axis is 60 degrees. Since we're in the sine quadrant, the tangent must be negative. Therefore, the tangent of 120 degrees is going to be minus the tangent of 60 degrees, which is minus root 3.